Renewable energy,
particularly
solar thermal energy, can be harnessing effectively
rural region
of our country for socio-economic development and sustainability. Since 1954, CSIR Central Salt and Marine Chemical Research Institute located at Bhavnagar in Gujarat are focused on developing technologies which can be directly utilized in rural settings for cooking, drying purposes or to provide potable water by harnessing the solar thermal energy. Let's meet
Dr. Mrs. Subarna Maiti,
working as a principal scientist.
The solar thermal dryer technology. It is a simple and therefore it can be easily adopted by the household or the community for their own use or for livelihood expansion. Our developed solar thermal dryers special because they have novel features like 1. The solar photovoltaic operated dehumidifiers to complete a batch at a much shorter time. Number 2, recirculation of spent hot air for higher thermal energy utilization. And number 3, the 90% UV cutoff film for better color retention of the product.
Mixed mode type of solar drying has been designed, fabricated and tested for drying of food products like potato wafers, banana wafers, grapes, onion, garlic, ginger, red chilies, mushroom and much more. The capacity of the dryer is about 5 to 20 of kg of raw material per batch.
Based on the small scale design, we have designed a 0.6 ton per batch solar thermal dryer and installed at Sagar Island in Sundarbans of West Bengal for drying of freshly caught fish. A similar prototype of 5 kg per batch dryer has also been installed at Tripura for drying of rubber sheets, and these dryers have been set up for the purpose of demonstration for the rubber processing community. Our small group consists of Mr. Bhupendra Kumar Markam, Senior Scientist and Research Scholar, Mr. Jameen Patel and Mr. Jigar Andharia. Additionally, we have several apprentices, project associates and dissertation students.
Today, Bhupendra sir team visit Ghogha to get review from the live users.
Here we are in Ghogha. This is our solar drying system, and this system is named as hybrid solar decentralized cabinet dryer. So here in this cabinet dryer, this is the area of inlet where the air comes through this DC fan and comes to the collector area. In this collector area, air got heated up to 60 to 75 degrees Celsius, and this air goes to the drying chamber. Here we keep the fish products, or we can say the initial raw products in this chamber where we dry, and through this heated air, the drying chamber got heated up to 70 degrees Celsius and it dried the fish product in 4 days.
Bhavnagar is a coastal area where the nearby villages have the main source of income from the fishing. People here are catch the fishes from the sea, drying them in the open and then sell them in the open market.
Mukesh Bhai is one of the big fishermen at Ghogha. They have been using these units for few months.
लोग जुड़े हुए आपके गांव से?
इस फील्ड में तो हमारे गांव में करीब 2000 से 2500 करीब लोग इस बिजनेस के व्यवसाय से जुड़े हुए। और फायदा में तो क्या है, बाहर सुखाते हैं तो कोई बिल्ली कुत्ता का या तो पक्षी का डर रहता है, इसमें क्या है और सेफ है मच्छी, और बाहर में कोई मट्टी लगता है, मट्टी भी नहीं लगता है, क्वालिटी भी अच्छा रहता है, और क्वालिटी अच्छा रहने से हम लोग को इसको 50 रुपया 100 रुपया दाम भी ज़्यादा मिलेगा।
Now it's time to go Talaja. Here we will check some live demonstration.
Its name is Gadula, which is coastal area. You can see the seashore, and also this place is very remote location. Here we have installed our second kind of dryer. Its name is dome kind of hybrid dryer. So from collect the heated air is going inside the dome kind of dryer, which restrict the UV rays, and because of that the quality of the product got increased. This is the fish which is dried in a traditional way, in sun drying. So you can see the texture and color of the fish. And now I will show you the dried fish through the solar dryer. You can see the texture and color which is visualizable.
Likewise, scarcity of potable waters for drinking and cooking is a challenge confronting people in remote locations like coastal areas and small islands. Through systematic innovations, novel design of solar thermal distillation unit which producing about 4 to 5 liters per day potable water from seawater during the sunny months and implemented as demonstration project in various expenses.
A conventional solar distillation unit is an airtight basin usually constructed out of blackened metal or FRP with a top cover of transparent material like glass or plastic. Brackish or saline or wastewater is fed to the basin of the still for purification. There is a channel provided to collect the distillate output at the lower end of the glass cover. The still operates on the same principle as rainwater, evaporation and condensation. The glass cover allows the solar radiation to pass. Condensed water trickles down the inclined glass cover to an interior collection channel and out to a storage container. Now the salient features in the solar still include appropriately designed stages to hold the saline water in a tilt, reflectors in V-trough alignment at the north and south edges. Number 3, double layered absorber to prevent leakage and easy maintenance by locking and unlocking of each stage. So we have demonstrated the solar stills in many places, for example at the Kavarati Island in Lakshadweep, in Juna Ratanpur village in Goga at Bhavnagar and very remote Sar Creek at BSF post in the Indo-Pak border.
Decentralized solar thermal technologies are not only perceived to be feasible for application in rural household, but also have the capability to pave a path for the women and youth to take up a relevant skill training that will help them in securing a better livelihood.